Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn How. And in today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can set up upload defaults on your new YouTube channel. Basically, I'm creating these videos for a smartphone user that if you have a smartphone and don't have a PC, you can still run a YouTube channel from your smartphone. So head towards the Chrome browser in your smartphone and click on these three dots and then click on request desktop side. So your YouTube will be opening like you're using your YouTube on a PC. So now open Creator Studio on your Chrome browser and then go towards the settings. After that, go to the upload defaults, and in the title you need to change title on every video. So in the description you can put in some basic description if your videos are just like similar, so you can use a basic description right here. But I suggest you to put in some of your social media accounts down there. You can create a basic template using ChatGPT as well. So putting all your social media accounts into the description of the channel upload defaults would be the best idea. And in the visibility, you need to select unlisted because when you're posting a new video, you don't know if there is any kind of copyrighted material or something like this. So if the video will be unlisted for 1 day or 2 days, you will figure it out if there is any kind of copyright material or not. And in the tags of the channel, you need to put in the channel name, and you can just type in some basic keywords like my channel is for education purpose and tips and tricks and tutorials. So in the advanced settings, you need to select the category of your channel. My videos are educational based videos, so I'm going to select the education. And after that, you need to select the language for your videos. Most of the time, I used to create my videos in English, so I'm going to select English. And I'm going to select the title language as English too. And if you used to create videos in Hindi, so you need to select English India if your title is in just like a Roman Hindi or a Roman Urdu. So now I'm going to show you that the upload defaults are set up correctly. I'm going to upload a basic video from my computer. Hold on a second. So here I uploaded a video. Let me go to the tag section and let me show you the tags which I put earlier. So here you can see the tags are out there, and the language is English. The license is YouTube standard license. If you have any question, you can drop down a comment below. Like my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.